Heraclitus Fragments, page 20. Here is an interesting caution to modern science, which is now pressing hard on the origin of the universe at a specific place and moment in time, the original coming into being of the world as the Big Bang. Heraclitus' comment is that it has always been there and always will be, but the forms and stages are constantly changing. One suspects that if confronted by Big Bang theory, he would have said that the outblowing of energy from a single specific point in ancient time must be the turning point of an inburning of energy towards single point before that moment. Why assume a start when we find everything continually turning from one state to another without pause or interruption? Is the idea of an origin a catchword in our common vein of thinking? 30. He calls it craving and satiety, or satiety. Greek. One might compare a chemical situation which actively absorbs material into solution until it reaches the point of saturation, at which time it can absorb no more. The solution is thirsty. Then, at a certain level, it becomes saturated or satiated. 31. It throws apart and then brings together again. It advances and retires. Greek. We seems to have two separate fragments sutured together here. The first is the usual statement of the continuum in the river, while the second line has a very different meaning, which goes well into the previous, fragment 30, as an example of elements coming together in a combinatory process and the dissociating. This could be called, with our familiar word, synthesis, but balanced with an opposing diathesis.